to make it even more attractive, more appealing, and more globally competitive. There was an important question that arose about the African Football League, which is an important question. The African Football League will continue later during the year. I wasn't happy with some of the proposals for the financial participation which we were receiving, because we knew that we should receive significantly more. But a lot of the money that initially we were intending to go to African football, from the African Football League, we're getting much more from the $1 billion tend over the next 8 years that we are busy with. But something else as well, which is very important. We have significantly improved the attraction, the appeal, the competitiveness of the CAF Confederations Cup. When I became president, I think the prize money for winning the Confederations Cup was $1.5 million. We've made it $4 million, and we've allocated every one of the 130 football clubs on the continent that participate in our competitions. We gave them each $100,000 initially. I started by giving them $50,000. They used to get nothing. So we did it together within CAF. And the Confederations Cup has become significantly more competitive. And the Champions League, from, I think the prize money was initially $2.5 million. We've increased that to $6 million. So an enormous amount of progress is taking place. But